Easter, new KAISER Easter update. Guys, KAISER is getting a Easter update. That is insane. Have you ever wondered what KAISER would be, but 10 times better? Easter KAISER. Easter KAISER. Look at Easter KAISER. This is going to be the brand new style. Easter KAISER. He also had the outfit on. He also had a backpack. Why does he need a backpack? He's gonna collect some Easter eggs, get the bunny ears. But we have all the new working codes, and make sure you guys don't miss out on any of these new codes in the Easter update of Blue Lock with the Easter KAISER as well. So make sure you guys like the video right now and subscribe. If you do need a extra slot, make sure you guys comment down below Easter KAISER. Easter KAISER. Comment down below Easter KAISER, just like this. Easter KAISER. This is what you need to comment, Easter KAISER. Just like this. So let's actually go ahead and redeem some codes because we did some new Blue Lock Rivals codes. I just accidentally clicked on the play button. Alright. So once you open up the codes, the first code that you actually want to redeem is gonna be very simple. Let's just zoom it in for you guys. Zoom it in. Zoom it in. The first code for Blue Lock Rivals is going to be 18 goats, 18 goats, IGA, Iga goat. Okay, so this is the first code you should redeem. Iga goat. The next code will be 2 billion. 2 billion. It's 2 billion. It's visits with a V. Visits. Okay, there you go. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. These are all the crazy codes for the update. We got monkey code. Wait, it's the monkey code. The monk code. Okay, the monk code. Make sure you guys redeem the monk code right away in Easter KAISER update. And we also have the Easter KAISER. So this will probably be an upcoming code. Make sure you guys actually like the video and subscribe if you want this code to be in the game. So otherwise it will not work.